condition.
Now, your first alert forecast from Live 5 News.
Well, happy Friday as we roll into the weekend. A lot of changes ahead of us, but focusing on a beautiful shot of our sunset this evening. This is over the harbor, Charleston Fish House camera out there. You can even see some folks braving those cooler conditions and taking a look at the sunset this evening. Just a beautiful view. Cooling off though. Did have a high temperature up to 60 degrees, and that's actually our average high temperature for this time of the year. So it's where we should be, but it is a little bit cool out there, especially if you were in the shade at all today. It was a little cool, but otherwise not too bad for the middle of January. Now let's talk about the radar here. Live Super Doppler Max. Everything looking dry right now. This will not last throughout the entire weekend though. We're tracking our next weather maker. I'm sure you've heard of it. We've been talking a lot about it. On Sunday, a first alert weather day has been issued because of this. Couldn't really show it to you yesterday, the day before, because it hadn't even fully formed yet. It's an area of low pressure, really off in the center of the United States. This is Sunday's storm system that's going to roll in to our area here in the Low Country. We'll get to those specifics in a moment, but let's talk about your Friday night. Still have a very nice evening ahead of you. A cold night, but at least it's going to stay dry if you have some plans, if you're out and about. Not too bad. 56 degrees right now in North Charleston, also into Somerville, 50, and Moncks Corner, 51 in Kingstree. We are expecting a colder night, though, than last night. Not quite as many clouds rolling into the area tonight, so that will allow those temperatures to drop. You can see we're actually hitting freezing inland. Kingstree 32, also in Manning and Orangeburg. The rest of us still cold though, in the 30s, 40 degrees over at Folly. So definitely a chilly night and a cool start tomorrow morning as well. Have that heavy coat ready to go. Tomorrow afternoon, similar to what you felt this afternoon actually. Not too bad for your Saturday. And if you're trying to plan which day to spend outside this weekend, I can answer that for you right now. That's tomorrow. Temperatures in the upper 50s, also dry. Not so much Sunday. Once again, that is our first alert weather day. More information more often. We're going to be here constantly throughout the weekend giving you those updates. We have issued this as a first alert weather day mostly because of our rain threat. Heavy rounds of rain, just cold temperatures, a dreary day, and also the wind will really kick up. Now is the time, if you have anything left out in the yard, to pin it down, bring it indoors before Sunday, as that wind will really kick in even as early as tomorrow night. Also the slight chance of a little bit of mixing west. That's mostly right along 95 and west of 95. This event could possibly start out with some wintry precipitation. It will change over to rain though. So a rain event for the Low Country. Of course, if you want those updates sent right to your phone, download our weather app. Take your phone right now and just really shoot it at the screen here and you will download our weather app. More information more often. We're always updating those videos on our weather app. Let's talk about the storm as it evolves throughout the weekend. You can see as it moves closer to the deep south, it's going to gain moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's really one reason why we're going to see a decent amount of rainfall on Sunday. Once again, there is a possibility of this starting out for some folks with some wintry precipitation early Sunday morning, but look at this. In just a few hours, you can see before lunchtime, everyone is covered in just rainfall, and then we'll start to dry out. So a rain event indeed. If you do see any sort of wintry precipitation, could be in one of these spots. You can see the pink color here on the screen. It's including Calhoun County, Orangeburg County, even the northern portion of Williamsburg County. It is a possibility, but like I mentioned, rainfall is going to move right in after, and it won't be an issue for you. So just keep that in mind. If you start to see something else other than rainfall, it will quickly switch over to rain. Speaking of rain, look at these rainfall amounts. This is by early Monday morning. Once that system is really out of here, over an inch and a half of rain actually for some spots. So definitely a soggy day expected on Sunday. Great day to just spend some time inside, have that heat on, stay warm. Dry on Monday, 50 degrees. Let's talk about traffic right now. I actually have a few accidents to talk about here on the map.